Welcome back everyone, this is Eddie with Joe's Gaming and Electronics, and today I'll be showing you guys how to reset your Bose 500 speaker. Pretty easy and simple process. All you're going to need to do is have your speaker and a power cord and have your speaker plugged in. So we'll be looking at the screen here, but I'll show you guys what we do up top. Pretty simple and easy. You're just going to hold the volume down button with the AUX button and press and hold for 10 seconds and the screen will direct you. So we'll go ahead and press and hold these, and as soon as we do that, it starts to count down from 10 seconds. Continue holding these two buttons. Beautiful. Now we could release. It'll do its little thing here. And that's the whole process of resetting it. So now we could go ahead and, if you're selling it or whatever, you could go ahead and, sell it feeling confident. Or you could just reset all your settings, whatever. For whatever reason you might be doing this reset, you're now good to go. You can go ahead, reconnect to it, sell it, do your thing. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to leave that down in the comment section. We do our best to respond to every single comment. Or if you want, give us a call, text, email. We do all those. Don't be shy. That's all I'm saying. Again, hope you guys enjoyed. Beautiful. That was the reset sound. I'm glad you guys got to witness that. So now we can go ahead and connect, but we're gonna go and leave that for another video on how to connect to this. So swipe up if you want to see that. Thanks again for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed and have a phenomenal rest of your day.